Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at an interesting product that was sent out to me from Govee. This is the new Govee Curtain Lights Pro. These are going to work with Meta, Alexa, Google Home, and of course the Govee app. Everything you need, guys, you're going to find in this box. This thing has so many amazing features. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this guy, take a look at everything that we get. But just so you guys are on the same page as I am, this has 960 LEDs. It has your RGB, IC lighting effects, DIY mode. You have 250 scenes. And of course, it's going to work with the Govee app. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Let's go. All right, guys, so here's the inner box. Let's take a look at exactly what we get in the box. You're going to be greeted with the normal things that you were finding here, like your user manual, your quick starter guide, things like that. All those things you're going to find in the box. We are more interested in what accessories come with it. So let's take a look at those and see exactly what we get. So in this first little box here, as you guys can see, we get our power brick. Wow, look at that. That is really nice. High quality. Yes. All right, so that's what's in this first box here. So in our second box, let's take a look at what we get. All right, guys, so what we're going to find here is going to be some of our accessories. These are going to be your mounting screws, your control box, some additional mounts that you can use for hooking this onto the wall if you're going to be, putting this up indoors or outdoors, totally up to you. It even comes with a little bubble level. That's really nice. All right, guys, so let's take a look at our main event, which is going to be this box right here. And we also have our tracks in here as well. Let me show you guys what those look like. So you're going to receive a set of tracks, and these are going to be for setting up the lights. The lights are going to fit inside of these tracks. So you get those in the box. You also receive these guide rods for your tracks. So let me show you guys what this looks like. So you have these additional little track system that you can use for mounting the lights as well. All right, so let's take a look at the actual lights. You guys can see there's nothing left in the box. All right, guys, so here is the main event. Let's go ahead and pop into this box. All right, check that out. There is our lights. Let's go ahead and take these out. Okay, guys, so here's our lights. Here is our connectors, and you have your main connector right here. This is going to connect into your power source. Now, this one is the female. You have the male on the other side, and that's going to plug into the female just like so. Just going to pop in right here. And then you have your little securing cap that just goes over. That's what's going to maintain your IP rating so that you don't have to worry about water getting in or anything like that. Then you have your controller, which is going to plug into your power supply. And you guys can see this is just a little barrel plug. This is going to plug in like so. This also has a similar type of cover. It's going to screw that guy on there real tight. There we go. All right, so let's power these up for the first time and let you guys see what these lights actually look like. All right, guys, now that we have them powered up, let me show you guys what these lights look like when you first turn them on. Look at how brilliant those lights are, guys. Those are amazing. Beautiful lights. Now, of course, we need to still mount them on our wall, so that's going to be our next step. So let's get these guys mounted up on the wall, and I'll show you some of the other cool effects that you can do with these lights. Let's get it. Okay, guys, I want to show you how easy it is to connect to these lights and get them set up. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your Govee app. Once it's open and everything is powered on, it's going to search, and it will see the new curtain lights. You're just going to click on Add. It's going to tell you to press the button here on the controller, and once it pairs up with it, you guys can see there, now it says congratulations, done. We can just hit done. You may be prompted to upgrade, so if you want to upgrade, you can do that here. It's going to download whatever the new upgrade is, and it will install it, and this doesn't take a long time, so just give it a few minutes and let it go ahead and finish the process, and you'll get an update success, and it'll be pretty much ready to go. All right, guys, as you can see now, we have our lights installed. They are beautiful, brilliant, colorful. These things are amazing, guys. So if you're looking for some lights to be able to accentuate during the holidays, whether it's Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, New Year's Eve, birthday parties, anniversaries, these lights are going to be a big crowd pleaser. Now from here, you can go through and you can test your different scenes. There's a ton of different scenes that you can play with. So let's just grab one of these and throw it up so you guys can see what it looks like. So you got a variety of different cool effects that you can do with these lights, guys. These are just going to be so amazing for you. You have your gaming effects. So if you're into gaming or you have a gamer in your life, you know, they're going to love these lights and all of the cool effects that you can do with them. I am very, very impressed with these lights, guys. These things are amazing. Now, of course, you also have your normal modes where you can go into your sound and you can, you know, set a sound cue. You can set up different effects that you want to use with just voice or music. I'll probably be using a lot of those because it's always a party at my house. So yeah, different ways of using these lights, guys. So many beautiful effects that you can get. Here's a really cool Christmas tree one. Look at that. So if you're lazy like me sometimes and don't want to put up a Christmas tree, this might be ideal for you. And you have other cool things here. You have your finger sketch. You also have AI you can use. You have community related stuff. You have DIY things you can do, or you can just set standard, you know, traditional colors. It's totally up to you guys. So just experiment with these. Look at all of these effects that are available to you that you can use with this. Let's do something for Halloween here real quick, just so you guys can see what that looks like. That's amazing. That's amazing, guys. Let's see if we can get something a little bit higher up. Here's the Halloween. There we go. What do you guys think about that? That's outstanding. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you guys these amazing new lights from our friends over at Govee. These are the Govee Curtain Lights Pro. I think you guys are going to love these lights. All right, everyone, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.